Good noon, everyone. We're going to report about the emotional disturbances. First is the definition. IDEA defines emotional disturbances as follows. A condition exhibiting one or more of the following characteristics over a long period of time and to a marked degree that adversely affects a child's educational performance. First is the inability to learn that cannot be explained by intellectual, sensory, or health factors. Next is the inability to build or maintain satisfactory interpersonal relationships with peers and teachers. Next one is the inappropriate types of behavior or feeling under normal circumstances and a general pervasive mood of unhappiness or depression. Last is a tendency to develop physical symptoms of fears associated with personal or school problems. As defined by IDEA, emotional disturbance includes schizophrenia but does not apply to children who are socially maladjusted unless it is determined that they have an emotional disturbance. Causes. It will be reported by uh, Nicole and Ferlin.
Nicole? Si Nicole? Sorry everyone. Hinay ang net ni Nicole, but I think she's here. Nicole?
Ni-leave man nata siya, ging.
Nilive siya. Okay. Sige. So the cause is unknown. So, emotional disorder or behavior is kanang wala na dili ingon sila nga wala jay kanang
Exact.
exact cause sa emotional disorder. And second is biology. So pwede na to siya makuha if ato ang siblings or usa sa atong parent kay naay kanang emotional behavior. And then prenatal drug exposure. So kana sang while pagbuntis nimo na nainom imong mama nga dili pwede or inana, and damage to the nervous system. Next. So environment pwede sad makuha ni nato sa ato ang environment like exposure to violence, like for example if naay sa atong family away-away inya kita kanang sensitive kita, and also extreme stress kanang daghan tagi pangunahuna, and sometimes tao raman ta dili ta kabaw mo handle, so pwede ta magka emotional behavior, and also rejection by peers like sa ato ang mga friends, and destructive family life. So what I've said earlier about kanang away-away sa family, or naabaroy ka ng mga experiences sa ato ang family nga dili na to makaya, and also poor living conditions like usahay like kanang sa ato ang wealth and kanang lisod atong pagpuyo, and also labeling of the child like naamay mga parents diri or naay mga parents nga kanang perfectionist or na-isolate ka ng mga standards nga giset sa para sa lang children pero dili mabuhat like ingana. So types of emotional or behavioral disorder. So externalizing comprises any of a wide variety of generally antisocial act like aggression. As you can see sa picture nga kanang aggressive kayo ang bata like kanang hilig og away or inana, and lack of attention like sa parents or sa bisag asa like kanang sa ato ang relatives like kanang kita kanang ganahan kita sa pagbata na to ganahan kita nga matagad ta natin mga pangutanag, but because busy sila or wala kay ta natigaan og pagtagad, pwede tang magka emotional not pwede ka magka-emotional behavioral disorder. Next, please. So, hitting, like kanang hilig kita, kanang sa layman's term pa, kanang gaan kay gamot. Kanang, like, ingana, nataigsoon, ana, kanang dali kita masuko, or kanang atong bunalan, ingana. So, next is impulsivity or hyperactivity. Kanang, hyper kita, kiat kita, like, or kanang, ingana, natas, kanang, imbis atong sa place ay sa event nga naata kay dapat prudenta but kanang hyper kaayo ta ingana, and also tantrums kanang nakoy pagumangkon nga ingani sad siya kanang walang siya na siya ADHD and nagka tantrum siya, and kanang na experience ko na ako nga naka-witness ko nga nagingani siya, so lisod siya sa parents, sa side sa parents nga ani, but since naaman siya kanang specialistaan na, so gaan ra ang buhat nun sa parents kay kabaw na siya. Next, please. Internalizing or negative behaviors that are focused inward. So depression. Sa atong internal na itong akuan, depression, mag-depression ang bata, like kanang hilak, maglisod katog, kay dagan og ginahuna, and also fears or phobias, and anxiety. Next. And also worry, sige lang tag ay kanang dili ta mahimutang kay mo na gunahuna ta na ma-worry ta sa mga butang, like ingana. Next. So by the way guys, kan Nicole na siya nga part, and since hinay iyang internet ako rin koan. So this is my part. Let's move on to the famous personality. So Chrissy Teigen, postpartum depression, and as a successful model, television host, and wife of multi-platinum recording artist John Legend, Teigen, a Utah native, went public in a candid essay published in the April 2017 issue of magazine. So she stated that I had everything I needed to be happy. She wrote, and yet for much of the last year, I felt unhappy. What basically everyone around me, but me, knew up until December was this: I have postpartum depression. So postpartum depression is hormone imbalance, and or kanang postpartum depression or baby blues ang tawag niya are feelings of sadness a woman may have in the first few days after having a baby. So guys, na ko i-share na then kanang pag 2016 man siguro siya nanganak, and naka-experience gyud siya og postpartum depression, like wala jud ko kailan niya after siya nanganak kay sa puton, and kanang basta, and naka-feel ako nga every time na iyahang partner kay murag sa puton jud siya, as in grabe mura ko nakailan niya, so yung anak din na basta bag-o mga anak no, and then mulas pud na siya og 6 to 8 weeks, so kanang maglisod og katog ana, so yung ana ang postpartum depression. Next please. So, Demi Lovato, so sa mga nakaila, of course, kanan kaila niya, singer, and naka-experience siya og bipolar disorder, and 24-year-old Lovato has been a public figure and performer since her teens. At 18, she came forward with her story of bullying, addiction, and eating disorder, cutting, and depression. So, bipolar disorder, kay mo na siya ang mag-change og kanang mood sa, like kanang night times nga kanang happy kaayo ka, and then mukalit lang kag sapot, or ang uban mag-wild ingana. So ang cause sad ana niya is kanang pwede na nato makuha sa atong sa genes, like if atong parents or siblings na ay bipolar, so ingana pwede sa tang magka-bipolar, or sa events sad kay like kanang makuanan tag loved ones, mabiyaan ta ingana, and mga experience nato nga mga bati pwede tang magka-bipolar ana. And then next is Steve Young, social anxiety disorder. So NFL half of former and BYU graduate Steve Young had a seemingly perfect life, but in his new book QB, My Life Behind the Spiral, Young admits to suffering from anxiety disorder. So social anxiety disorder, or also called Social phobia is intense anxiety or fear of being judged, negatively evaluated, or rejected in a social or performance situation. So, social, from the word social, mahadlok tang ka ng, like, buhaton and ka ng, buhaton, like, artista ta niya. For example, artista ta niya ka ng, ma-judge ta sa the way ta ni act, or dili ba sila ka ng, wala ba sila na-satisfied sa ato ang performance and all. Next, please. So, Donny Osmond, so siya sad, nasa siya social anxiety disorder. So, celebrity who suffers from social anxiety disorder, Donny Osmond, has been battling social anxiety while performing since he was a child. Next is Michael Phelps, ADHD, an American swimmer who has won a record-breaking 19 Olympic medals during his swimming career. He also lives with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So ADHD is a medical condition. It affects a person's attention and self-control. So basta na kay ADHD, no, mostly ka nang maglisod og focus and dili kayo ka-focus and ka nang usay hyper sa gaayo. Next, please. So Dan Reynolds may be living the dream as a member of the chart-topping band Imagine Dragons, but despite commercial success and a rewarding musical career, Reynolds described himself as depressed as hell. So, ang clinical depression is mood that meets the DSM criteria for depressive disorder. So, the term clinical depression is commonly used to describe depression that is a type of mental illness, not normal, temporary mood caused by life events or grieving. So, depression, like, mo na siya sa pwede na makuha sa ato ang experiences sa mga bati, like kanang if na ay mga yan na loved ones sad nga nawala or na ay mga family problems and all. And also Leonardo DiCaprio, obsessive compulsive disorder. So the Oscar, so kailan man tani niya no sa Titanic. So the Oscar-winning star admitted he feels compelled to walk through doorways numerous times and step on sidewalk stains left by used chewing gum. So, mo dyan niya akong, kay naaman sa mong Sned Trino, if classmate, mo niya akong murag na intimidado kay kuan niya disorder, ang OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, kay daghan kay siya types. Like, kanang magnificent obsessive, mo ni kang Leonardo, kanang, basta na siya makitaan nga iyang tumba niya. Pero iya na daw nang, I read an article na iya na nang control ba. But mo siya magnificent obsessive ka na murag magkuat kung pagkaon pa na maglaway jud ta ka nang murag magpanginit jud ta nga dili jud nato makuan nga dili nato makontrol. And also definition OCD is a well-known subset of OCD whereby sufferers are terrified that they might become contaminated by germs or get sick. So kaning contamination is mo ni siya ang kanang sige tag panghugas niya kanang I mean kita kay okay raman no ikahugas na to okay mauna nakasabon ana pero sila grabe jud kaayo like if ikahuman mo dili pa sila satisfied balik na sad sila gugas ingana. And also lain sad nga type is causing harm by accident. So ang mga tao nga naaani is like responsible for their actions and sometimes even for events that are outside of their control. Like they may doubt if they perform an important task correctly. Like for example, nilakaw ka, unya nakadungog kag na mga nagstorya nga. Hala gabi na sa kanang kuan, nasunog gid ilaha didto ana kay wala na paong ang kuan mauna wala na ibot ang charger. So ikaw nakasakay na ka sa jeep so naog feeling mo alo kuan ba ka utuno ana. And also symmetry obsessions kani siya kay kanang exact the need for things to be perfect, exact, or just right. Kanang hilig kanang silbi nakasim kwarto niya. Sige arrange ana bisag okay na kaayo Japon ka may mutang like ingana. So next please. So Daniel Radcliffe. So OCD sad siya. So siya is kanang di ba kasi mga Harry Potter fan din. Ako dili but nakailalong ko niya kay sikat jud kayo ang Harry Potter. So a household name at the age of 10 has been struggling with OCD since he was 5. So according to writer Alexandra Delusion, Dan decided to seek help when his anxiety prevented him from returning of a light for 5 minutes. So most of na iyahang na-obsess ka ng every 5 minutes iyang pagunang. So next is Lady Gaga PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder. Despite her success in both music and acting, Lady Gaga spoke openly in December 26 about her struggles with post-traumatic stress disorder, and she admitted in a 2014 interview that she is the victim of a rape that happened when she was 19 years old. So, ingon ani guys no, kasi mga nakakita, okay na dili mo tin. Sa mga nakakita og kanang sabi na the perks of being wallflower no, ingana pud iyang kahimtang na trauma siya inana and iyang permi mahinumduman ang event nga ato if na something nga for example naa siya partner na kuan sila make love and then mahinumduman to niya ang event nagimolest siya sa iyang aunt. So ingana pud ka kang Lady Gaga but dili gyud siya hindrance guys no. I mean kanang do na ay kuan part na to nga kanang duman nato but magtan-aw lang ta sa kaning mga tao ba nga mga sikat kaayo do na sila yung mga disorder so dili siya hindrance sa imong pagtuan sa imong dream. So ingana nakakuan lang ko sa kong part, naka-realize lang ko nga kanang bisan unsa pay mga naagian pwede din nato ko ano atong dream sa life. And then next please. So last is Adele. Postpartum depression sad. This Grammy Award-winning artist opened up to Vanity Fair last year about her battles with postpartum depression following the birth of her son. So, as you can see, daghan jud kaayo mga celebrities nga suffer of postpartum depression. But I think kita sa diri sa Philippines, ako lang na-realize sad na kanang I think mostly mga sagikan na nga kay muagi og postpartum depression. It's just that dili lang matungod sad sa poverty nato or sa atong kalisod diri sa Philippines dili kayo ma-check because kanang nabi na bayad ang specialista pero ingana naghan sa kog mga friends nga nakita na ko wala sila nagpa-check but nga makaingon ko nga pila ko depression kay kanang sa puton nga di makaila nila after nila mga anak so ingana. So next is
Teaching strategies and assistive technology. First is spread love. Behavioral disabilities can be challenging for educators because there seem to be few aids available. The struggling students can be very disruptive to the classroom experience, making it hard for others to learn. As EdTech begins to play a more prominent role in our school districts, teachers may want to consider that assistive technology could help. The right tools might assist students when it comes to better organizing their tasks and coping with the demands of the classroom settings. So, kanang dapat ang teachers kay kanang considerate gani siya then understanding kayo siya tanan sa ihang students para ang students kay murag dili gani siya dali mo tantrums murag mo share sad siya og kanang ihang affection sa teacher para mo strengthen gani ilahang bond mo na siya spread love. Next is text-to-speech software. Behaviors tend to be more prominent when a child is faced with too much stress. For many of these students, the actual works expected of them is the classroom setting can be a trigger for more behaviors. Reading can definitely be one of these tasks that prove to be too much for their frustration tolerance. A text-to-speech software such as that found within the Microsoft program would be an ideal solution. Students can sit back and listen while the computer or tablet reads to them, preventing them from trying to engage too many brain systems at one time. So, magiuban students no nga kanang dili ka take og kanang daghan kay sanan og work ni ang uban kay kanang kapuyo na sila diretso mo nang dili na sila maminaw og tarong, dili na sila mag-participate kanang mag-throw na sila tantrums diretso ang uban kay moingon na sila gusto na sila muuli ana. So ang text to speech software kay maka-help ni sa ila kanang to lighten gani their baggage kanang igo na lang sila mulingkod, and igo na sila maminaw sa kuan sa silang software, mura na siya listening device ingana, or kanang viewing device nga para dito ra sila mutan-aw sa ilahang mga lesson, ingana nga dili na sila kanang mo engaged og daghan trabaho kay kapuyan sila ana. Next is reminder devices. Students with behavioral disabilities tend to be easily distracted and their mind may wander during lessons. A reminder device such as vibrating watch might be a good way to get their attention back. This quietly prompts them to refocus the task at hand without teacher intervention. As a result, they can feel significantly more independent when teachers have fewer reasons to chastise them. So reminder devices, pareha ka ng, for example, relo or kanang sa TV or i-flash sa screen nila, or pwede ra sad ka ng mga bulletin board nga kanang easily accessible sa students nga kanang ma-remind gani sila nga sa ilahang buhatonon nga bisag usay dili na sila i-instruct sa teacher kay naana dito sa ilang reminders sa ilang buhatonon, so mo na matudloan gid sila og independence good. Next is Ferlin. Voice
Sorry.
recognition.
Okay. So next is the voice recognition software. So many computers or tablets have voice recognition software built into their platform. If a student struggles with the physical act of writing or translating their thoughts onto paper, teachers may need to consider allowing them to use the software. This gives them an opportunity to say what they would like to put on paper while the computer handles the rest. So this can avoid the frustration that comes from a lack of fine motor skills or the inability to concentrate. So same man ni siya sa katong text speech nga kuan technology, but ang voice recognition is analyzes countless patterns and elements that distinguish one person's voice from another. So kanang ang katong text speech no is kuan man to siya, ikaw magstorya ka, for example, ikaw ang student, igastorya nimo sa computer baron or tablet, makuan din niya ang mo type din ginto unsa imong nastorya, but kani siya mo recognize ni siya sa voice kung kinsa ang nagstorya. So next is talk light. Noise sensitivity can be a big issue among students with behavioral disabilities. So the overstimulation from their environment can become a major trigger for their behavior problems. Teachers should be mindful of the volume inside their classroom at all time. Assistive technology can help you to monitor it with the talk light. This provides educators with a tangible way to realize when volumes are reaching unacceptable levels for sensitive students. By preventing this situation, you might be able to ward off some of the negative behavior. So talk light, sorry miss, application ba na siya miss? Kayo na kuan kay karon sa kukabong ako ano. Naasad siguro application anang Talklight. I don't know, I'm not sure guys, but pag search na ko sa Talklight sa Google, mo ni ani gawas kanang gining sa picture nga naay kanang murag red and green. So ang kana diha imo ibutang sa green kinsay mo mas mutabi ron. Like for example, si Pet, and then sa red is si Nicole, and ana para ma-control ang voice inside sa classroom kay kita man gani usahay bisag wala tay disorder sa puton ta kung saba ing ana, how much more sa kanang naay mga kanang emotional disorder nga kanang dali ra sensitive kayo. So that's it. Thank you.
That would be all. Thank you. Miss, ako nang gisend ang link, miss.
Excuse me, Cheska.
Ah,
Dili mi ka access.
Readily ko
Please
access.
access.
Wait lang kuya akong kuan.